I have a 2000 Nissan Maxima. Has a hard start. Crank it up. That's all it's gonna do. It's gonna crank, 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 and cut off. Sound like it's not getting the fuel to it, whatever. I changed the crank sensor, the fuel pressure regulator. But when the car starts up, everything fine like normal. Like it's nothing going on. So if anybody know the issue, let me know. And the car has no check engine lights on the dash. 0. I have the scanner right here. You still hook up to it. No cold storage. Everything runs fine. It only got 118,000 miles. And yes, it do has gas in it. So if anybody know the problem wrong with it, let me know. And I'll try to start it again. Let y'all hear it. I doing it from the push start, so that's why I'm not in the car. But I'm gonna try it once again. That's all they'll do. Like I said once before, once it started up, everything normal. It's quiet, everything. Thank you.